got my own now. Feel that I'm not wrong now. Tryna find my soul now. I can go to shows now. Got me a new.
Ooh, oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Ooh, oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Oh, wait room. Ooh. Alright, I know I got clicked on this video to get some curls. So I'm gonna show you how to get some curls today. You know, you looking bum, you looking crusty, you looking dusty in the hallway at school. And you want to have the coolest curl of them all. So I'm gonna show you how to get the curls. So you wanna use some of this right here. Some of that magic right there. See, what's gonna get you right is the Neiman oil. The Neiman oil works for all race. The Neiman oil is going to get you right. Yes, yes. And then what you want to use is this. Not can 2, cause this will leave your hair wet and moist. Can I get a amen, please? Yes, this is better than can 2. This gonna keep that moist. Then after that, you want to put some of this. I know it sounds like a little bit too much, but this is going to get you right. Yes, sir. And then you're going to want to use this too to make your curls tight and right. Yes, and this, all 4 product is going to keep you right and tight. Can I get an amen? Yes, sir. So first step you want to do, you want to hop in the shower and get your hair wet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You want to get the hair wet. Or you can use this, but I prefer you to get your hair wet and right. So I'm about to hop in the shower and I'm about to get my hair wet and nice and wet. So my hair is wet and right. Now what you want to do, you want to have like a good amount in your hand. You want to put just a amount. It's going to get you right, you know what I'm saying? It's a little bit too much, but we're gonna get it. You wanna get it in there? You wanna get it in there? And we about to put this in your hair right here. Yeah, we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna put it right here. And rub it in, rub it up. Mix it all up. You want to let it sit about a good 3 minutes. You want to let it sit about a good 3 minutes. And we're going to... I just like to rub mine down. So I want to get it right here. So we're going to get back at y'all. Alright, let me show y'all. To show y'all... You see it's actually working. You can tell, you can see the curls on my head. It's not the best.
Look at the detail.
It's gonna get you there. It actually moves too.
Look at the detail.
You see that?
Oh, Lord.
Go ahead and get a screenshot. This stuff actually works. Neiman's oil is gonna get you right on everything. On God, no cap. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. About to wash this stuff out. Alright, I just got out the shower. This is the step, right? This is what it looked like after. Now next step, what y'all want to do is get the stuff that I showed y'all earlier. The leave-in conditioner. Yeah, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Next step is this right here. And if you want to, you could put this in here in your hair to make your hair, the curls stronger. So normally what I'll do is put some of this in your hair first. Just the best leave-in conditioner on the market. About that. Rub it in. Next up, some of this. good. Then you want to dry it. Put some of this in your hair. Just that much. From there. Rub it in real good. And sometimes you can get a comb, you know, puff out the sides. I don't got no haircut, so it'll look better with a haircut. That's how you get them curls. Like I just showed y'all.
Look at the detail.
And it actually moves too, but that's how you get them curls. Thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell button. See y'all on the flip side. Peace.
Quite infamy, come alive mentally, and love died physically. My love cried miserably. Hugs getting looser, her tongue tied kissing me. She fuck died nigga, see now they both eager me.